Hey there, it's Britt with the Beach Show, and I'm here to tell you about a great condo we have over at the ever-popular Tidewater Beach Resort on the west end of Panama City Beach. This is the perfect beach getaway, or use it for a vacation rental machine. One bedroom with bunks in the hallway, all new appliances, freshly painted, a lot of little extras, perfect and waiting for you. Tidewater is a very popular resort just a little bit away from the ever-popular Pier Park, which makes it a fan favorite. Full-on resort amenities, like 3 swimming pools and much more. This one bedroom is ready to go, priced at a little over $312, and we would love to show it to you.